fund your Interactive Brokers account easily. So today I'll show you how to fund your accounts on Interactive Brokers so you can start trading quickly and securely. So first you need to log into Interactive Brokers client portal using your credentials, and then from the main dashboard you can click on Transfer and Pay and select the transfer funds. Now this is where you manage all deposits and withdrawals. IBKR offers several options: bank wire, ACH, check, direct deposit, or broker's broker transfer. Pick the one that works best for you. For a bank wire, select deposit funds, then bank wire, enter the amount, then click get wire instructions. You'll see IBKR's bank details to provide to your bank. And then you can just confirm and send, so double check all details and initiate a transfer from your bank. Once IBKR receives the funds, they'll be credited to your account, usually in 1 to 2 business days. And you can also fund via ACH for US accounts, mail a check, set up direct deposit, or transfer positions from another broker using ACATS. And that's pretty much it. Your IBKR account is now funded and ready. So like and subscribe for more trading tutorials, and if you enjoyed, of course, thank you for watching.